All right, it's the last one. All right. All iron workers are valiant. So we're back to another all on this. So here is my circle with all of the iron workers. And all of them are inside another circle that is pink. There we go. And this is where all my valiant people are. So V for valiant. Okay. Then it says all valiant people. So we're still looking at the pink circle. All valiant people are heroic. Okay. So now I need another circle within a circle. I think I made my circles a little bit too big. And this is where all my heroic people are. And then there's one more premise. It says, no accountants are valiant. Okay. No accountants are valiant. So I need a dot for the accountants. Where are the accountants going to be? Well, the accountants, there are no accountants that are valiant. So they cannot go inside the pink circle, which means they also can't go inside that purple circle. So they could be in between the pink and the blue, or they could be totally outside of the blue. I would need another premise to determine that. So when I'm looking at these choices here, let's start with the first one. Some accountants are iron workers. No, there are no accountants in here. None. So it can't be that one. And then it says no accountants are iron workers. Boop. And the last one is all accountants are iron workers. That's false. There's nothing. There are not. Yeah, it's B. It can't be some or all. They're neither one. All right, this would be an all and a some. It's just neither. So no accountants are iron workers. That's the only one that even makes sense from that picture. And that's section 3.5. This is probably the fastest section of the 5 in chapter 3. So, yeah. So make sure you label everything so you're reading it correctly. I highly recommend colored pens. That helps, highlighters, whatever. It really does help to see what's going on. So, let me know if you got any questions.